Hi, first grade. Today we are going to write a sentence to make a statement. That means we are going to write a sentence that tells something. We are going to use a photograph to do this. We're going to write 2 sentences about what we see using the correct capitals and the correct punctuation at the end of the sentence. We're going to do this because it is important so that we can become better writers. Remember, we have to have complete sentences with a subject, a predicate. It has to make sense. We have to use capital letters for the first word and any names that might be in the sentence, and the correct punctuation at the end of the sentence. Remember, statements always end with a period. Let's review not a sentence. These have an X by them, so they are not a sentence. These are sentences. They have a subject, a predicate, and they end with a period. They also begin with what? A capital letter. That's correct. So we're going to look at this picture of our friendly giraffes again. There are 2 sentences on that picture. The first one says, giraffes are tall animals. They live in Africa. So you are going to write a complete sentence using capital letters and punctuation with a subject and a predicate about giraffes. So in your journal, write number 1 and write one of the sentences about giraffes. Number 2, you're going to write another sentence about giraffes. Remember capital letters, punctuation. Don't forget your finger spaces and your best handwriting. Have a good day.